Hi there, Mark Costner here from DreamweaverMadeSimple.com. One of the questions I get asked so often from visitors to the DreamweaverMadeSimple.com website is, how do I create a slideshow? Do I need to know Flash, or do I need some special program to do it? Well, luckily the answer is really simple. You see, Dreamweaver can create a Flash slideshow for you automatically. Let me show you just how simple it actually is. Start by placing your cursor where you want the slideshow to appear. Next, go up and click on Insert, then Media, then Image Viewer. Dreamweaver asks you to save the Flash movie object that it's going to embed. So give it a name. In this case we're going to call it Slideshow. And click on Save. Now what Dreamweaver's done is inserted the Flash object that's going to actually run the slideshow. Let's take a look at how this works in a bit more detail. Okay, start by clicking on the actual Flash object itself. You'll notice over here in our Objects panel we've got the Flash Element panel. Now there's a couple of things you need to do. The first thing is to select the actual images that you want to display as part of your slideshow. So click on there and click on this little icon right here to edit the values. That'll open up a new window. There are some default values in there. Just click the minus sign to delete those. Now we can start adding our actual images. Start by clicking on the plus sign and then on the little folder icon. I like using thumbnail view, just makes it a bit easier to find the actual images. So let's look for a few images to insert here. Let's start with the Dreamweaver Made Simple ebook image. So we'll insert that one there. Then we'll add a few more images as well. So we'll click on the folder again, click on thumbnail view, and this time let's add an image of our new course, which is the Building Websites Made Simple course. This course here takes you through the whole process of building your website, from the project planning to research and creating your actual website and the whole lot. But let's insert that one as well. And finally, let's insert the picture of the software box that we use for Dreamweaver Made Simple. So we'll scroll down here, find the software box, click on the image and click on OK. Once we've inserted those three images, we simply click on OK. Now you can't see much at the moment, but that's easily fixed. Let me show you what you need to do here. You see, I've hidden my Properties panel just so I have a bit more screen space for this video. So I'm going to open up the Properties panel again. Now, I simply click on my Flash object and click on Play. And it'll begin to actually play my slideshow sequence there. Now there's a few things I can do here. Firstly, notice that there's a bar up the top here. So I can choose to have that bar display or not by changing the properties of the Flash element. Let me explain what I mean by that. If we go back over to the Flash element panel here, you'll notice there's a range of different properties we can select. One, for example, is to show controls. So we can choose yes or no. In this case, I don't want to show the controls, so I'm going to click on No. The next thing I'm going to change is autoplay. I want this slideshow to play automatically, so I'll just click on Yes. The next question is, do I want it to loop automatically, or do I want it to stop after one play? Well, I want it to loop, so I'm going to click on Yes for that as well. And finally, I'm going to adjust the slide delay from 5 seconds to 3. Another setting I want to change is whether it plays randomly or uses a particular transition between the various slides. So I just want to use a simple fade. Now we can view our slideshow and see how it works. We just click on play and sit back and enjoy it. If you choose, you can also view that in your browser. Just click on the Preview in Browser window and open it up in your browser. It's asking you to save the changes. We say yes. And as you can see, it's working away in our browser now. So that's how easy it is to create a slideshow in Dreamweaver. Well, if you'd like to learn more about building your whole website from start to finish using Dreamweaver, then simply visit dreamweavermadesimple.com.